welcome back to my channel. Make sure to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. It's Easter holidays and I'm really bored. I have nothing to do. A message! Let's go see what it says. Calling all kids. Hippity hoppy help is needed. I'm sending you my traveling suitcase with everything you need to help me get ready for Easter 2022. Thank you. Signed, Mr. E. Bunny. Who's Mr. E. Bunny? When's the traveling suitcase gonna arrive? The traveling suitcase has arrived! Let's see what's in the traveling suitcase. Look, guys! These are chocolate molds! We can mold chocolate in them. Look, this one's they're both Easter bunnies.
Yeah!
There's another chocolate mold which is like an Easter egg one. Let's see. There's another one of those Easter egg ones. It might be a little different. And there's another chocolate mold. It's a little different to the plastic ones. And here is our chocolate. I love chocolate. We have a napkin in case something gone wrong, like it's dirty. And we have a whisker to whisk the chocolate. Oh, look, another traveling suitcase for me to look at. Let's look in it. White chocolate. Ooh. Some of these candies. Some Starburst. Some oh no, the Skittles have spilled. Some Skittles. And some of these twisty things, but there's some Skittles in here. Doesn't matter. Some sprinkles. A bowl with Skittles in it. A cake slicer. Chocolate. Whoa, this is heavy. A pan with utensils in it. Where am I gonna put this? I'll put it here. I think the Easter Bunny wants me to make some Easter eggs. Step 1 for making your Easter eggs. I need to polish my mold. When you're done polishing your mold, you need to get some chocolate. But I need to put the chocolate into the microwave for 30 seconds. My chocolate's back from the microwave, but I put it into a smaller bowl because it was too big. First up, you need to whisk your chocolate. Now, we need to pour it in.
Yum, 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 yum.
Think that's enough? Maybe a little bit more? Boo! All over. Now, I have to move it around. Have to tap it. Keep whisking it around to get it to these edges. Keep moving it and tapping it. When it kind of looks like this, now we have to pour it back in.
Yum,
could if there's not enough, you could scrape it in. Oops. Now you want to put this down on the table. Now when you're done, you want to carefully flip it over so it's facing down. It doesn't really matter if you get it on the table because you could reuse that chocolate. Make sure to have some paper towels on it so it doesn't wreck your table. And now I'm going to do that a second time. Now I'm going to flip it. Oops. I'm going to flip it back over. Then I'm going to pour it in. Wow. Keep pouring it till it's off the top and put all of it in. Then when you're done doing that, you want to do how I showed you. You need to whisk it around, tap it, keep whisking. When it's like this, I think you want to pour it back in. You want to hold it, and you just want to do it how I just explained. That's it. Now you have to scrape it in because you didn't put all of it in. Now you want to carefully flip it over. Now I'm going to put it in the fridge for 10 minutes. Now I'm just going to do the exact same thing but with the bunny mode. So now we need to pour it in. Be very careful. Be very... This one, but whoa! That's a big overflow. Now I'm going to scrape it off how I showed you. Just pour it in. Then we just want to scrape it off now. You want to do it again. When you've done that, you want to pour it back in. Pull the chocolate back in. Then if it doesn't all come off, then you can scrape it off with a scraper. Oh, that's still on. There. And then it's now you want to put it back. Now you want to put it upside down again. Now I'm going to put it in the fridge for 10 minutes. I just poured the last of my chocolate into the silicone mold, and now we have to put it in the fridge to wait for 10 minutes, and then it will be all ready. Whoa! Okay guys, let's wait for 10 minutes. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 9 minutes, 10 minutes! Now it's all ready! Woo! Okay guys, the molds are ready. Now we have to carefully try to get them out. First, you want to gently tap the edges. Gently until you see it a little bit like that. I'm gonna gently do it like all around, but very gently because it's very like fragile. I'm gonna do that. You have to turn it over. Whoa! That just came out? That's so cool, guys. I'm gonna put it down. Now let's do the bunnies. Like how I just said. Try to be very careful with the bunnies. Now I'm gonna try to do the other one because the first one didn't work. It's not really work. Oh, coming off. I'm gonna try to push it down. I think I might be able to get this one off. Oh, yes. Oh, it broke a little bit. Okay, guys, it came off. The other one didn't really come off, but this one did. So very fragile. It's so cool. It's an actual bunny and an actual Easter egg. This is the Easter egg. This is the bunny. Chocolate bunny and a chocolate Easter egg. That was so fun, guys. Whoa! I think Mr. E-Drop Bunny is gonna like what I've done here. Here's all my shells, and I'm ready to make my Easter egg. Grab this one. I think I put them together. With this. Guys, I've got my candy filling. Now I need to put it in my chocolate eggs. A little bit more. I'm gonna pour some. That's enough. Now we're going to do these ones. Let's put some in this one. Now I'm going to put some Starburst in the bunny one. 3 Starburst. Now I'm gonna put this one, some of these twisty things in here. Now we gotta put them together with the melted chocolate. Now I'm gonna paint my chocolate on the edges so it can stick together. Do it all around the egg so it can really stick. Now you are going to flip it over. Make sure to be careful. Now we gotta let this set in the fridge. Now my egg is set. I love my egg, it's so cool. No Easter is complete without a fancy Easter bonnet. Let's get making my Easter basket. First we're gonna add, we're gonna add some of this. It's like a purpley, stringy block of purple string. I'm gonna put that right in. Gonna just like push it down a little bit. And then I'm gonna add some of these chocolate Easter eggs. Gonna add a blue one and a orange and red one over there. Let's add some Easter bunny cookies. One in there. Easter egg cookie. One in there. Now let's add the big one, the main part, in the middle. Gonna add some, a bunny over here. Look at this bunny, guys. It's gonna add a chickie over here. Now let's add something else. Maybe some of this? Maybe some of this? Like over here or something. Like around here. And let's add one more thing. Add some of these little things. Chickie, and a chickie. Do you think we're done my Easter basket? Actually, maybe a couple more things. Maybe I can add an Easter basket inside of an Easter basket? That sounds crazy. Now another purple chicken. What else? Should I add the big sign or not? Oh no, my Easter hat fell. Now let's keep decorating my Easter basket. What should I add next? This cookie, yeah. This one in here. Now let's add another Easter egg. Let's add some little ones this time. There. And one in here. Now let's add the yellow one. Do you think we're done? I think we're done. I love my Easter basket. Whoa! Okay guys, I finished all the Easter baskets I made. Now I'm ready to call the Easter bunny. But first, I need to get ready. Guys, look what I'm wearing. It's so cool. The Easter bunny's coming.
Why, yippity-yoppity, hello